Welcome back. We got a really nice little Xterra for you folks. Let's start with the year 2005. Good mileage on this vehicle, well under the average for its age. No rust on this truck. 2-owner, over 28 dealer service records. One of the most solid ones that we've had come through here in a while. It's an SE, so it's more equipped. It's got the factory rack up top, trailer tow pack, crossgate sound system with an upgraded receiver with USB ports, satellite radio. And check out this truck, folks. No abuse on it, and solid. Interior's in very nice shape, and it doesn't appear to have ever been smoked in.
Carlo has nothing to do with any of this. Thank you.
Real nice cargo area. Real nice tires. Fully serviced, safety inspected. Guaranteed credit approval is going to be valid on this vehicle. Starting down payments, $595 for a 4-wheel drive right before the winter. Starting to get cold out, folks. SUVs, 4-wheel drives are going to be blowing out of here. Don't hesitate. This is a super nice car, and it is ready to go. Easy credit approval, 2 paycheck stubs, possible bank statement, big old smile, and 45 minutes of your time. DasCleveland.com.